Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect WhatsApp with Google Gemini so you can send messages completely hands-free using just your voice. This works great on Android phones and takes only a few minutes to set up. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Gemini. First, you need the official Google Gemini app installed on your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store and search for Gemini. Install the app, then open it and sign in with your Google account. If your phone asks whether you want Gemini to replace Google Assistant, tap Yes or Switch. That allows Gemini to handle voice commands system-wide. Step 2. Make sure WhatsApp is installed. Now make sure WhatsApp Messenger is installed and already set up on your phone. Also make sure your contacts are synced properly because Gemini uses your saved contacts to send messages. Step 3. Enable required permissions. This step is very important. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Apps, right pointing arrow, Gemini, right pointing arrow, Permissions. Now allow microphone, contacts, notifications, phone permissions if requested. Step 4. Connect Gemini with WhatsApp. Now open Gemini and say, send a WhatsApp message. The first time you do this, Gemini may ask for permission to interact with WhatsApp. Tap Allow. That's basically the connection process complete. Now Gemini can work directly with WhatsApp using voice commands. Step 5. Send messages hands-free. Here are some commands you can try. Send a WhatsApp message to Alex. Tell mom I'm coming home. Gemini will usually confirm the message before sending. You can simply say, yes, send it, and done, completely hands-free. Conclusion. And that's how you connect WhatsApp to Gemini and send messages completely hands-free. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips, AI tutorials, and smart automation tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.